My name's Rob Kerslake. I run a landscaping and garden maintenance business called Verduous Gardens. We operate out of Sydney, Central Coast and Hunter Valley, and we need reliable products. Over the last few years we've moved to Husqvarna and found them a great product, and recently we've moved to the spray vats, and these are the features I've really found useful. The 15 litre backpack sprayer is a professional sprayer. We use it in the larger properties and landscape use. The feature I like most out of this product is the reinforced hose that stays in position for a long period of time. It's a very comfortable product, has a really good harness on it, which I've found better than many of the other products I've used over the years. It's without any tools, you can replace all these seals within 5 minutes, which is great when you're out on the job site. There's no leaks right through this system. We found it very good with the VITON seals. They last well and they seal well. With our 8 litre handheld sprayer, it's probably our more versatile pack for what we do in the smaller gardens. Unlike the 15 litre that's great for commercial, this one's great for these smaller applications where you might be spraying a rose or a little bit of weed spray on a medium-sized garden. Overall, this is a great product. When you store the nozzle away, it sits in the drip tray, or if there's any spillage, it goes into the drip tray. The vat has a teardrop shape, which means if you've got to put it down, it doesn't fall over. Without any tools, you can replace all these seals within 5 minutes, which is great when you're out on the job site, don't have to take it back to the workshop. With this 1.5 litre handheld sprayer, I find it a great useful little product to have in the kit. It's useful for those smaller jobs, for whether you just do spraying one plant or a couple little weeds where you don't want to mix up a big batch of chemical. It's so easy to get the measurements right, and particularly in indoor use, you don't want a big vat, and you're going in there, it's very easy to apply. The features that I really find useful in this is has a weighted pickup hose, which is great. You don't end up wasting product. A release valve for the pressure, and when you take the head off it, you don't get a spray of chemical in your face, so it makes a very safe product. With me, as I was looking at them after using them the last few weeks, it's like the engineers have asked me all the features I would like implemented into sprayers and implemented them in these. There's just all these different features that are so important to us, so from now on this will be my sprayer range of choice.